already did my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my face. I don't know what type of look I'm gonna do yet, so I don't know. We'll see. All right, y'all, we are going voiceover. This primer, y'all, reminds me of the Milk Hydro. It is so good. Now this foundation, this is the Pretty Face foundation by Colourpop. I liked it. I'm still trying to get used to it, but I noticed that with the brush it was taking up a lot of product, so that's why I went in with my sponge, and I saw that the application was flawless. So I still have to try this out more, but it was all right. This concealer, I've been using it for a couple months now, and it's very hydrating, and I love the coverage. It has become one of my favorites, and the color is nice and brightening, so I love that. All right, for contour, I'm gonna use this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the color Mahogany. It's a pretty warm dark color, and I just use that for my cream contour. And I go in with a brush because it picks up a lot of product, and that's sort of what I want, because I don't like when I have a lot of product on my face before blending in with a sponge. Moving on, I'm using my trusty airspun translucent powder. This powder is drugstore, and it is amazing. I have been using it for so many years now, and it has not failed me, so why fix it if it's not broken? Same thing with the Black Radiance Beauty contour palette. I really love this palette. It's amazing. My new fond favorite is this BH Cosmetic Peach Blush palette. It's so good. Going in with the eyes, I'm using the So Jaded palette by Colourpop. This was a collab with Kathleen Lights. I love her. I'm going in with several colors here. I try to show them as best as possible. So I went in with a light peachy skin tone color. Then I move on to like a mauve color, but then I also put in a bit of the burgundy color in here just because I wanted more depth in my eyes. I didn't show that, but it's because I was just too focused, and when you're doing makeup and you focus, you just go. So again, it's the mauve color, then I go in with the burgundy, then I go back into the peach skin tone color, and I end it with the glitter. And to set the face, I'm going to use the Farsali Rose Gold 24K spray. Wow, that's a mouthful. Moving on to L'Oreal mascara primer. You need a primer before putting on your mascara, but I'm not gonna lie, after this whole cruelty-free situation, I think I'm gonna cut back on L'Oreal, and I'm going to continue with my trusty e.l.f. cosmetics because they are cruelty-free. Moving on, we have the NYX lip liner. This is one of my favorites. It's in the color brown. I'm just gonna use that to line my lips. Then for lip gloss, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Cosmetics. I wish I had like lashes to put on, but I don't want to put on lashes. Oh, sorry, my show was playing on the background. And some highlight. Gonna use this one by Beauty Creation. All right, this is this finished look. I think it's like a mauve vibe. I just did all the work like on the lid and stuff, so I think it's kind of cute. But I like it. I'm about to go take some pictures. I'm gonna leave all the stuff linked down below. I don't think I'm gonna put links. I'm just gonna say exactly what I use. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you're subscribed and give me a like if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.